What's the meaning of bakeware? Bakeware. Bakeware.
Bakeware. Bakeware. Bakeware refers to various types of kitchen tools and equipment that are used specifically for baking. These typically include pans, sheets, molds, and other vessels that are designed to withstand high temperatures and facilitate even heat distribution during the baking process. Bakeware can be made from a variety of materials including metal, ceramic, glass, and silicone. Each material has its own unique properties that affect how it performs in the oven and how easy it is to clean. From muffin tins to loaf pans to cake molds, there are countless varieties of bakeware available to home cooks and professional chefs alike.